Today we're going to make dehydrated tomatoes. We're not going to go all the way and take all the moisture out. We're going to remove about half of the moisture. There's a few reasons for doing this, but the main reason is we're going to concentrate the flavor. So the first step, take your cherry tomatoes, cut them in half and lay them out neatly on a tray. Season well. You want all the tomato slices facing upwards. Now we're going to add some rosemary. Just one little rosemary needle per tomato. And then we're going to do the same with the garlic. This way each bite will be the same. And lastly, we're going to drizzle olive oil over each tomato. So we're not drying these to preserve them, we're trying to concentrate the flavor. We're going to infuse extra flavor at the same time. So put the tray in the oven at the lowest setting, turn off the heat and leave it for a couple of hours. What we're looking for is gentle, residual, indirect heat. So this is what we're looking for. The tomatoes are still soft, not quite raisin-like yet, and we've infused each tomato slice, and we've concentrated the flavor. You can use these for many different recipes, and it's completely worth the effort. Think of it like a sauce. We're taking a delicious sauce, but we're making it into a reduction with a much more concentrated flavor. This technique also comes in handy if your tomatoes are slightly sour, not quite ripe yet. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. The link is below. Happy cooking!